In this video, I want to show you a feature that YouTube released in May 2017, and this is the option to pin a comment. And the way that I would imagine using it
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
is, you can see here, this is my own video, and when you have your own video, you can make your own comment. You can say whatever you want, blah, 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 blah. I already made my own comment here, as you can see. And while I'm at it, why not upload it? But the important thing I wanted to show you is you can pin comments. Here my comment is pinned, so I can unpin it. But if I click on, in your case, you would comment on your own, you would click on your own comment and you can pin it so it always comes up on top. And so other people's comments don't come up, but your comment comes up. And here you can see that I'm actually trying to promote something. So if you're trying to sell anything, or if you're trying to get anybody to do anything, you see how people watch the video and then they often go in the comments and boom, the first comment that's seen is by you. And you can direct people to do whatever you want, and that maximizes the chance of the video being more highly converting to get people to do whatever you want. Maybe watch the next video, maybe watch something else, but whatever you want people to do, you can now pin a comment of your own. And of course, you can pin a comment that's made by somebody else that's very good. But you can make your own ideal comment and then have, in your comment, tell people to do whatever you need them to do. That's your highest priority. And it will, of course, get some people to do that. And so you'll increase the chances of converting people to do whatever you want them to do. So use this feature. And that's it for this video.